I'm Kenneth Chan. I'm already in my 80s, and come when you're in the 80s, you have all the aging problems that come with it. So very important at this stage in life is to have the quality of life. You cannot expect to be better, but you can have a better quality of life. And the chairlift makes climbing the stairs so much easier. Having the chairlift makes life very much easier. As I said, ascending and down and descending the stairs after 80 is the torture. Being a quality conscious person, the first thing I had in mind was it must be certified. I have lots of senior citizens visiting because this is their second home. A lot of visitors, we gather here 2-3 times a week. So they're all fascinated by the elevator. Number one, installation is very quick. That means the installation was done in 1 day. I was amazed. And clean. The installation crew was good. I like the safety features. I like it because it looks very neat, and the simplicity in the design is very important. This is really smooth. Okay, if you're thinking about other options like putting a lift, that's out of the question because structurally it cannot be done. So the only option left was a stairlift or chairlift. And Elite is the one that is certified as published. So that's a little bit of assurance that you are certified. It's okay if anybody wants to install. This is the ideal chairlift.